Today, Johanne and I head to the Medford Range in West Jeddore, Nova Scotia, to sight in my 30-30 and my muzzleloader. The range is a self-serve range, so you can book through DNR prior to and during the hunting season to sight in your guns. This was Johanne's first time shooting, and she was extremely nervous. Like anything, shooting takes practice. The more you do, the better you'll get. Hey guys, it's Frank from Adventures Outdoors. We're at the Jeddore shooting range, and we're gonna sight in some guns today and get ready for the deer season. So should be exciting. So glad you tagged along. Have a look. So I got some glasses, some safety glasses, some hearing protection for you. Some hearing protection.
Oh, thank you. I brought some tissues.
Oh. So I'm using bullets in my ears. No, using little spongy things. You just squish them up and then put them in your ears, and then they expand. So then you can't hear anything. Safety goggles. Okay, you guys all set? It's all good?
Hey?
All good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy sweet Jesus, mercy, God.
I'm going to have to walk up, so I'm going to shoot one more just to see if I get a tight grouping, and then I'll have to walk up. When you're ready and you've got it sighted in, control your breathing, hold your breath on that, like let some of it out, and then put your finger on the trigger and squeeze.
It's too loud. Is this the right pocket?
Yeah. Right up against your shoulder.
Oh, I don't know.
You can do it. Come on. There you go.
It's moving too much.
I know.
Whew. Holy. Holy fudge me right in the poop shooter.
What?
Oh, that was scary.
So now you open the action. Put your brass in there. So that has to be open while you're done. In order for okay, break the breech. Open the breech. Put the shell in the bucket. Close it up. Fire another one. No, no, close it.
Oh, shit, yeah, sorry. Oh, why?
That's it, just breathe.
Oh,
Low.
Yeah, that's
Low. That's it, just breathe.
oh, it's so low.
Hang on. Hang on. Just make sure that it's not hitting the wood.
Oh, well, how do I do that?
No, it's not. Right now, it's not.
But I have to get so low. Oh.
Lots of smoke. It's okay?
Yeah, I'm just scared of the noise.
Yeah. There's no kick to this one like the other one. Pull the hammer back.
This?
No, with your thumb, the other thumb. Keep your left hand on the gun. Pull it back with your thumb. All the way.
My hands are sweating. My hands are sweating.
Keep your other hand on the gun. There it is. I know.
Ugh.
Yeah, put your finger
It's
on the
moving
trigger.
too much. I'm moving way too much.
Yeah, that's because it's a little more powerful scope.
I keep moving. I can't get steady. I won't stop shaking, like moving.
I know, it's just because the scope is a little more powerful. Do the best, keep it in the center, squeeze the trigger. Keep so every time you come off target, you're gonna have to realign it. Don't come off target. Just focus on your breathing. Get your finger on the trigger. You're ready to shoot. Hold your breath just on a little bit of exhalation. Don't come off target. Stay on it.
I don't think that was a good one.
Here are some of my personal tips for better shooting. Squeeze the trigger. Do not jump on it or pull it. A controlled, steady pressure is always best. Relax as much of your body as you can. Get rid of all tension. Slow your breathing and hold after a partial exhale. I like to keep 2/3 of the air in my lungs when I'm shooting. Stay on target. Don't lift your head or get distracted. Stay focused until the shot. Remember, the longer it takes you to squeeze the trigger, the more desperate you'll become to pull the trigger. Taking too much time causes tension, and your brain will start to panic and seek to finish the task, causing you to rush your shot. Accept the fact that no one can keep a rifle steady, and accept the fact that there will always be wobble. Squeeze the trigger during the acceptable wobble and ease off the pressure without losing focus when it's unacceptable. Follow through. After the report of the rifle and the kick, maintain your focus and continue to squeeze and follow through the shot. Do not react to the gun going off. What's really important is in the field, know your limits and only attempt a shot you know you can make. I have a real simple motto. Once that bullet is fired, there's no taking it back. So every time you come off target, you're gonna have to realign it. Don't come off target. Just focus on your breathing. Get your finger on the trigger. You're ready to shoot. Hold your breath just on a little bit of exhalation. Don't come off target. Stay on it.
I don't think that was a good one. How do I breach it? How do I open it?
Break the breech. I know.
Just what? Pull down?
You gotta push that button forward. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching. That's got to be it.